If you're looking ways to make money online, affiliate marketing is one of the best way to do it.
What?
How you know which products are worth promoting it? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll be sharing some of the tips on how to choose the right products for your affiliate marketing campaigns. This is one of the important steps because if you don't get it right, your campaign will fail even before it starts. But
English?
Don't worry, I'm here to help you. By watching this video till the end, you'll have all the tips you require to get the right product for your affiliate marketing efforts so you can be successful at affiliate marketing. So start learning and watch this video till the end. Hi there, I'm Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. I also have a blogging website with the same name, Utilize Your Business. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to my channel so that you can learn all about affiliate marketing, specifically for those people who are beginners. And don't forget to hit the bell for notification. We do come out with video every week, so you're notified for any new videos that we come out. And our video starts now. Welcome back. Affiliate marketing is a popular way of making money online, especially for beginners who don't want to invest time or money starting an online business. But not always as easy to find a product, especially when you're starting for and you don't know what you should be looking for in a product. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some of the tips on finding the perfect product for your business so that you can start making money faster and you're not wasting time on the products that won't work. So some of the tips are, first one, choose a product that'll be interest to your audience. So when choosing a product to promote through your affiliate marketing, choose a product that'll be interest to your audience. Now, your audience are the one who are actually going to be buying the product. So if they're not interested in it, they won't hit the buy button or checkout button to get their products to them. So always think of your audience, what their interest is, and would they buy this product. Also, at the same time, think of the products that are going to give you high commission. What that means is the commission incentive should be there so that you'll be promoting it, all your efforts into promoting it, be either organically or by paid, will give you back enough result from the commission that you get while selling these products to your audience. Additionally, you should also consider the product conversion rate. How the conversion rate is once this product that you're promoting it is in the front of the audience that you are promoting it to, how easily is for them to buy this product or how they will convert to buying these products, therefore you making money from that. Now, also when you're looking at the products, some products are better for the affiliate marketing, some are not. It's just what it is. For example, digital products are much more popular in affiliate marketing. The reason being, you don't need to do any shipping of them. They're available right away for the people who bought these products versus physical products. These products has to be mailed, so they're lot more logistic. And you need to choose a company that's actually good in shipping these products so there is no delay. So remember all these points when you're choosing the products. Now let's go to the next points. I touched about it a little bit in my first point is the commission rate. There are a lot of different commission rates that's being offered by the companies, but different companies, and you need to look at it and see which one makes more sense. Some companies will offer you a flat commission for bringing the customer in and actually buying it. Some of them will give you a better commission rate depending on how much traffic or how much sales you're bringing to that company. So just like that, more commission, if you're making more commission of the products, it'll give you more incentive to promote that product versus the other product which is not giving you enough result or you're not getting enough commissions out of that. So for that, just look at merchants terms and conditions when you're signing up for their affiliate products. The other thing that you should look at it is the popularity of the product that you're going to be promoting it. Now, if you have already built an audience, look at your audience and see if they will be one who will be actually buying these products because this product is popular. If it is, likelihood of you making a sale out of them is much more faster or quicker and easier than showing a product to the audience which they are not familiar with. Another tip that you should always look at if you're choosing a product is look at the negative reviews. Look at the reviews in general, but like you look at the negative reviews and what it is. I will highly recommend you to go to a third-party website and check it out. You can check it out at Trustpilot and a couple of other websites and see the product you're promoting it. What kind of reviews are you getting from the customer who already used it, or a customer who already have dealt with the company that is selling the product and you want to promote it. This way you'll be able to make a decision on the product that you want to promote. Online reviews are a better way of helping you out, and not only the popularity of the product, but how well the product performs when somebody buys it, or for that matter, how well the company customer service is when there's something wrong with the product. The other tip about promoting a product is look at the features of the product that you're promoting it. Check out the customer feedback on the features of the products. Most of the products we have it, they are showcasing these are the features when you buy certain product. And look at the feedback from the customers who are actually used it, and look at the feedback on these features. Have they found these features to be useful while using the products? Better way of these feedbacks from the consumers who have already used it on third-party platforms such as, like I said, Trustpilot is one of them. That name that pops in my head. Much better for you to promote these products. You can actually understand this product much better. Likelihood of making a sale is much more better because these products are popular in your audience. These products are good in terms of their review and the feedback you get on the features that these products are. If they are good, there's likelihood of you making the sale on these products is much better than those products which there aren't that enough review for people to make a sale. And my final tip on promoting a product or choosing a product to promote is how easy it is for you to promote these products and how easy it is for people to get hold of these products. The perfect example is digital products versus physical products. Much easier for you to promote the digital products because somebody who's actually will buy the product, they will get the product right away, such as the ebook, a software, or a plugin, whatever it is. It's much easier for them to get it right away once you bought it, versus the physical products, such as if you're promoting a book or any other physical products such as merchandise or e-commerce, or such as the person who actually buy that product, how easy is this for that person to get the product? So you need to know more about their shipping, how sooner will the company ship the product, and how easy is for the consumer who actually bought the product to get the product to them as soon as possible. So there's a little bit more efforts in promoting a physical products after the sale versus promoting digital product, which are much more easier as an affiliate marketer, especially once you are a beginner. So what I'll do is now I'm going to move over to my Shareasale backend, and I'm going to go through all these tips that I shared with you and how I use that to pick a product that'll be good for you. So don't leave yet. Watch for another 5 minutes the process that I go through of picking the right product for affiliate marketing. All right, so as I promised, I'm just going to walk through all the tips that I did share in my video and while choosing the product. So first is, it's easier if you are part of any these affiliate platforms such as Shareasale. That's where I am. You could also be on the Impact, ClickBank. There are a couple of other ones, but tips that I said it, you can use it on any platform, doesn't matter. I'm just choosing Shareasale for this video. So first of all, there are all the merchandise and all the categories in the different niches. Whichever niche you guys are and you want to do affiliate marketing on, do that. I'm just going to pick business, and I'm going to choose the SaaS products because these are the digital products, easier to promote, and the customer who just buys it gets it right away. There's no shipping and all the other things involved. So let's look at the product, and then I just go one by one and look at things that they're looking at it. So you look at it first, this is e-commerce, right? How much you get per sale, per lead, power rank, earnings per click. What I do is I usually look at the product which is a little more popular, or at least people know about it. So FreshBooks, for example, a lot of people know about it. Power rank is 44. accounting software. Per sale you get $55. Per sale is 55. Earning per click is 174, right? Per leads is $5. So they do have different affiliate programs. So why don't we go to the website and check out if they have anything on affiliate programs. Usually they have it all the way at the end. So let's just scroll it down. Okay, so this is what they have: the reseller, affiliate, and referral. So referral is basically they give you, I think, a certain amount of money to referring someone. It could be somebody friend or anybody you know. So if you click on that, let's see if they have any terms and condition. Or so yeah, so referring a friend, you get 25 gift card of $25. You could get Amazon, whatever, they're all the list, and your business you get 150. So this is not what I'm interested in. I'm interested in affiliate program. So let's go back and check if they have affiliate program. That's why they're on the Shareasale. But let's look at their affiliate program and see how much, where the commission is and how much you'd be making it, right? So this is their platform where you sign up. So trial sign up commission, you get to earn up to $10. So somebody signed up for trial, don't know how many days, but we just have to check it out. You get $10. And if they're also earn when trialing sign is upgrade to a paid plan, right? You earn up to 200 USD. So it's pretty good. And this is all they're talking about their own program. Now, the best thing will be, let's look at some of the reviews on trusted third-party platforms. So would that be Trustpilot? Okay, so Trustpilot reviews right here, right? So they have 4 stars, verified, only about 600, close to 700 reviews. Now look at that, and let's look at their recent reviews. Old version is 10 times better than the new version, so probably they upgraded their software or their menu UI. Now I'm stuck with a defective and buggy service. So good thing that we checked it out, that their new upgraded version, it's not working as well. So let's see if the other people are. New version is seriously missing even a basic accounting function. So I guess they're having some issues with the newer version. That's why I'm going to stay away from until they fix this. Like long-term user new interface so much worse than the old. My main complaint is blah blah blah. So we're not going to be bothering about this one. Now let's go through some of the other tips you need to when you're signing up for the affiliates or we're looking for a good program on Shareasale. When you log into their dashboard, you just scroll down and you're going to find some trending merchants. So these are the merchants which are doing good recently. Had all you gotta do is look in the niche where you have it. So business, this is the health niche. So you click on one of them and see what exactly affiliate program is worth. So you can make $60 per sale. Like I said, you look at it, average sale, this is the last 7 days, average commission, earning per click, which is amazing, close to 2,000, conversion rate, which is good. They have 30 days cookies. What that means is if somebody click your link and go into their website and for whatever reason they didn't sign up, you still have, then they come back within the 30 days and they sign it up, you will get credit for it, you get commission for it, right? Then they have the power rank, which is one, apparently with this much earning per click, which is good, you can see. And if it's good, all you got to do is go into their website, check out what it is, and always go back to the, like I said, learn about what other consumers or affiliate for that matter are saying about this product. Go to Trustpilot and all that, and you can see. Now you don't need to sign up for, there are a lot of other affiliate platforms that has all the different products or merchants all under one roof. Shareasale is one of them that I choose it because most of the program I find it are on sale. You can also go to Impact, there's a ClickBank and all the rest of them, but the idea is pretty much the same. Looking for how to look for the merchants which are good, solid, with a good solid affiliate rates and what it is. Now you can also go to here, they say they have close to 4,500 merchants. So you don't have to go through you do have to apply individually, but once you get approved by Shareasale, the likelihood of you getting program of all these merchants are pretty good. So that's the one way of going through and finding a different room. And most of my products that you look at it that are there, you can see it, Optum Monsters, WP Engine, WP Forms. These are all the products that I'm promoting it, and these are all the clicks that they're getting it the last 30 days. Seems to be working from Shareasale. That's why I'm recommending this this platform to find good affiliate programs. And you follow all my guides, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notification, and give me a thumbs up, like this video so that others can watch this video. Now let's go back to the video, and I'm just going to wrap it up with the main points that I talked about in this video. Now, what are the main points? In order for you to find the right product, you should know what your audience needs are, what type of products are they interested in. Also, you need to find out the merchant you are promoting it. Is that a good company? For example, you can go back to their feedbacks. You can also look at the some of the reviews on third-party platforms such as Trustpilot and see what exactly customers are saying about these products when they're using it. Could be affiliate also who are promoting this product, how good it is for them to promote these products. Then you need to look at what sort of a commission rates are they providing it to you. Is it worthwhile for you to promote this product through your time and effort, and also the money you'll be investing in promoting it through various paid ads. And lastly, make sure that the product you want to promote through affiliate marketing, how easy it is. Digital products are always easier than the physical products, but that doesn't mean you can't promote the physical products by all means, but overall digital products are much easier to promote through affiliate marketing. So there you have it. If you find this information useful, I invite you to stay tuned and watch my video for the next week, which will more talk about affiliate marketing, or for that matter, do a review on the product that I'm promoting it as an affiliate marketer. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to notify so you're notified for all this new video. In the meantime, once you're subscribed, go back and look at all the other videos on affiliate marketing and how they can help you in becoming successful as an affiliate marketer. See you for the next video. Bye.